Ever feel like you are trapped in presentation purgatory, staring at a blank slide, dreading another hour, or let's be honest, hours fiddling with fonts and agonizing over layouts? What if I told you there is a way to cut that time by 80% to create stunning professional presentations in minutes, not days? Hey everyone, welcome to AI Tool Square. You know, presentations are a huge part of your lives, right? Whether it's for work, school, or even just sharing an idea with friends, we all need to make a point visually. But honestly, it can be a massive drain on your time and creativity. That's why today we are diving deep into the world of AI presentation makers. These aren't just fancy template tools. We are talking about intelligent software that literally helps you design, generate content, and streamline your entire workflow. Imagine boosting your productivity and making sure your message really hits home every single time. We've gone through and reviewed the 7 best platforms out there, cutting through all the noise to show you which one actually fits your needs. So let's stop wrestling with PowerPoint and start making presentations that truly impress effortlessly. Ever wished your presentations just look perfect automatically? Most people spend hours tweaking only to end up with inconsistent designs. What if a tool could enforce smart design rules as you create, ensuring every slide is professional from the get-go? Imagine creating polished proposals in minutes, not hours, with everything perfectly aligned and branded. This isn't just about saving time. It's about making sure your ideas look their absolute best, effortlessly boosting your professional impact. Pretty cool, right? Beautiful.ai really locks down that consistency, but maybe you are thinking I need something more dynamic, more like a modern web page. Well, if that's you, then our next tool is going to blow your mind with its sleek, contemporary feel. Tired of dull, static slides that bore your audience? Many presentations just fade into the background. What if you could generate engaging modern layouts from a simple text prompt in seconds? Imagine transforming your dry data into an interactive, scrollable story that captivates. This method cuts content creation time dramatically, making your message stick and boosting audience engagement. Think internal comms, sales tags, educational content, all brought to life with dynamic visuals that feels fresh and exciting. See how Gamma shifts the game of static slides to engaging experiences. It's a whole new way to present. Now, if your strength is in storytelling and you want to weave rich narratives with multimedia, our next pick is designed specifically for that. Struggling to make your story truly resonate with your audience? Most presentations just scratch the surface, losing that emotional connections. What if an AI could help you craft rich interactive narratives combining text, images, and video effortlessly? Imagine turning complex ideas into compelling tomes that captivate and inform. This approach lets you build visually rich, mobile-friendly stories that embed anything from 3D models to live data. It's about generating a powerful, unforgettable narrative that truly connects. Tom really brings your stories to life, doesn't it? But what if you want to break completely free from the linear slide format? For those who crave truly dynamic, non-linear journeys through their content, Prezi AI is a game changer. Ever feel trapped by the endless linear slide deck? Most presentations force your audience down a single, predictable path. What if you could create dynamic, conversational experiences that let you zoom and pan through your ideas? Imagine outlining complex content and having AI structure a captivating visual journey for you. This method allows for memorable, nonlinear storytelling, engaging your audience in a completely fresh way. It's about making your message stand out and creating an impression that lasts. Prezi AI definitely shakes things up. It is not for everyone, but if you want that now factor, it delivers. Now, if you are already deeply rooted in an ecosystem you love like Canva and just need some AI magic added to your familiar workflow, then you are in luck. Start spending too much time trying to make designs just right. Many people struggle to get professional visuals without expert skills. What if AI could generate styling presentation drafts from a text prompt within minutes using a tool you already know? Imagine creating beautiful branded slides effortlessly, leveraging a massive library of assets. This approach lets you quickly adapt designs for any platform, ensuring visual consistency and saving you hours. It's about making high quality design accessible to everyone. Canva Magic Design really brings that familiar ease to AI power. And speaking of familiar environments, what if your entire team lives in Google Slides? You need AI that fits right into that world, right? That's where our next tool comes in. Is your team consistently juggling Google Slides, wishing for a magic wand to speed things up? Most teams waste precious time on formatting and repetitive tasks. What if an AI could generate, reformat, or remix entire presentations directly within Google Slides? Imagine instantly turning a document into a polished slide deck, optimizing your workflow without ever leaving your familiar environment. This method drastically improves team productivity and ensures consistent, high-quality output. Plus, AI is a lifesaver for Google Slides users, seriously. It just makes things so much smoother. But hey, what if you need more than just presentations? What if you want one AI tool to rule them all? Graphics, videos, writing, everything. Are you a creator or small business juggling a dozen different design tools? Most struggle to maintain consistent branding across all their content. What if a single AI platform could handle presentations, graphic, video, editing, and copywriting? Imagine generating stunning visuals and compelling text for all your digital needs from one integrated hub. This comprehensive approach boosts overall output and ensures consistent branding across every asset. It's about simplifying your entire creative workflow. So there you have it, folks. 7 incredible AI presentation makers that really changing the game. We have seen how they can save you hours, boost your design quality, and help you tell your story more effectively. From beautiful AI smart design to simplifies all in one slide, there is definitely an AI tool out there for everyone, no matter your needs or skill level. Don't forget, the right tool doesn't just automate, it intelligently optimizes, letting you focus on what really matters, your message. So go ahead. Pick one that resonates, dive in, and start creating presentations that don't just inform but truly inspire. And if you want all the juicy details, our comprehensive ebook dives even deeper into each tool, their hidden features, and advanced strategies. It's totally free, just check the description below.